What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. It's time to party, because look who's in the house. It's the HL6 from Hobart. This is our prototype mixer, and we're going to have a little fun because I got something for this mixer, and I didn't think that it would ever be possible, but it has happened, and we're going to open it right here on What's Up Wednesday. It's for the HL6, and let's get to this. I want this out of the box because this is like amazing to me. So join me for What's Up Wednesday when we unbox something for the prototype Hobart HL6. So if you've been around for a little while, you know the story of this Hobart HL6. I happened to catch it off of sort of like a Facebook Marketplace kind of thing. I think it was called Offer Up. And I scored this baby, and it turns out that this is a prototype for a mixer line that Hobart was going to make that came out just before the recession. And they decided not to make it for various reasons. And the initial run of these mixers that they made, they ended up giving away to either employees or some Hobart dealers got a few of them. So this is a very rare mixer. I will put a link in the description both to when I got this mixer and our full test and review. I'll put links down in the description if you want to take a look at it and hear the story of this mixer. I'll also put a card up here with a link to our test and review. So my concern in that video was because this mixer was never put in production, there would be no way for me to get additional bowls if I were to mess this one up, or additional paddles, or any of these pieces, because this mixer was never put into production. So there's no way. This is like one and done for these things, right? And that didn't keep me from not wanting the mixer, but I knew that I couldn't make this like a daily driver, because if something were to happen to this bowl, and this has a plastic handle for some reason, I would never be able to replace it because the N50 bowl doesn't fit on here. The N50 is a 5-quart mixer, and this is a 6-quart mixer. Well, one day, I was just minding my own business, right? And I got this email from somebody who said that her company made the original parts for this mixer. And yes, it is the case. I checked with Hobart. This was never put into production, and she even confirmed that. But she works for a metal producing company that made parts for this mixer. And she told me that they have some bowls and some of these still left over from when they made that mixer. And I was like, what? You have some of the accessory pieces for the HL6 sitting around in your warehouse? And she was like, yes. So, I had to get one because I couldn't pass that by. It would be my only opportunity ever to get parts for this mixer. And it just landed straight into my lap from someone who saw that video. So that's what's in this box. So let's take a look and let's see if they fit on this HL6. Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh. It's a bowl and a paddle for the HL6. Can you believe that? A bowl and a paddle for the HL6. It kind of smells like a greasy machine a little bit.
Do they have part number on the bottle?
Part number? See how there's a little bit of grease on there? It just says Hobart. The paddle here just says Hobart HL6 patent pending.
See, the original has a different part number if you look at it.
No, this one says the same. Patent pending.
What does?
Yeah, they're the same. Woo, woo, woo. So here's the bowl. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I'm telling you, this dropped in my lap like boom, right? And I was like, woo! This doesn't happen. It's because of that video that I got these for this mixer. So let's pull the mixer over and see if it fits. So we have our original bowl on the HL6. We're gonna go ahead and take that baby off. We're gonna put on the new bowl. Yay. See how it fits? Yeah, okay, it fits. And we're gonna put the new paddle on. This has a really cool paddle. It's like spiral. Gonna lift it up. Sweet.
It has a delay.
It does. Why is that?
You gotta get used to it.
Why is that?
Probably because it doesn't want to go fluff and flour everywhere. You know?
It has a delay between you go to stir and it comes on. When you go to 1, it has a delay. 2. Sweet. It's not a pretty sounding machine, but it's my little baby, right? Awesome. So our new bowl for the HL6 that landed smack into my lap. I got so lucky. It works perfectly on here. I might actually see if I can get another whip. But I'm so happy about this. So guys, our Hobart is officially coming out of mothball because I actually have more than one bowl. If I screw one up, I will have another one to use. So cooks, happy Wednesday. We got a new bowl for the HL6 and this is making my week right here. So I hope you're having a good one. I hope you're enjoying this new weather and you're ready for spring. I'm working on my spring tablescape, so watch for that. I got a few things the other day for it and still trying to put it together and figure out what I want to do. So stay tuned because there will be a spring tablescape for Easter this year. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media. The links are down below. Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest, all at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy.
Hi, y'all. Code word for I got a few things means Amy went shopping.